Hey everyone, how's it going? We're here with another hybrid video, and this time we're going to show you the test that the Knoxbox tester performs on the Emitec pump. The Emitec pump. We used it during the initial stages, right, from 2002 until about 2017, mostly in various models of Volkswagen and Ford vehicles, and now we're using it in DAF vehicles. So some DAF trucks are using this pump specifically here in Brazil, which makes it very important to have in the team. In the workshop, we need specialized diagnostic equipment that can accurately test this pump. That way you can make a diagnosis in your day-to-day work, right? So whether it's 12 volts or 24 volts, our equipment will handle it. You just have to select here the operating voltage you're going to use. In this case, we're going to use 24 volts. We also connect compressed air here. We're using the original injector from the system, right? This was used in the Volkswagen Ford production line. And now we are already here working with our tablet, which is communicating directly with the equipment. Here we're going to select the Emitec pump test section. So we choose pump Emitec. And then we're going to go ahead and select the option to run the valve test. So this process will automatically control the air passage valve. It is currently in the process of controlling the air passage valve. The valve is activated on, so we can see that. The equipment is sending the message via CAN network, all through the CAN network. The pump communicates with the equipment via CAN network. All of this is transmitted to the tablet so you can have the diagnosis. So the pneumatic air valve system, the air operation is being controlled. Now we're going to initiate a request to cancel this current test. Between one test and another, we wait for a brief period of about 30 seconds so the pump's software can successfully complete this internal transition, okay? So now we request to start the dosing. Wait a little longer. It just disarmed. Now, yes, it will accept. That's it, it started. It's showing that it's off. The system is in preparation. So the system is in preparation, dosing off, injecting off, and pressure off. So the compressed air pressure is low. We're going to open the compressed air pressure. So at this specific point in the process, the system is drawing the liquid directly from the storage tank. For this demonstration, we are simulating the actual test using water, so you can see the water entering through the head and moving into the pump, then coming back around here through the return line. It is not currently injecting. Now, I am going to carefully check this component right here. It is important to note that it cannot inject because the air valve is currently in the closed position, so there will only be air injection occurring when the air valve is fully activated. Does that make sense? So let's open the compressed air, which next time the compressed air needs to be between 7 and 10. The pressure is set to the correct bar. This is clearly specified within the software settings. Then just take a moment to look at the instructions provided. Here are the instructions. You carefully open it and it immediately starts spraying the Arla. So we can clearly see that it's injecting properly. Yes, it is definitely injecting now. And then we will continue to collect the sample for a full 8 minutes. So the automatic test in 8 minutes will dispense 100 milliliters. Everything I'm saying is clearly detailed in the instructions, and you'll be able to do this easily in your own workshop right on the bench. Clean the pump thoroughly, replace all the internal components, perform the necessary repairs, and provide this high-quality service to your valued customer. You can always count on us for any questions you might have, and be sure to check out our social media pages for more tips. Keep on watching us there and following us there. Thank you, everyone.